Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zaina and today's video is going to be about dresser makeover. I bought the dresser from estate sale. It was in rough condition. I just wanted to give it a little bit update using Country Chic paint products or colors and using Redesign with Prima products. All the products I use going to be mentioned down in the description box. You can check it out, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. After I was done painting the piece, I noticed in the morning, because I usually leave them overnight to dry, I noticed in the morning the piece start bleeding through the entire piece. It's like not only the top or the sides. So unfortunately, I just decided to paint over it. First, I just cleaned it and I gave it a light sanding, cleaned it, then I just decided to paint the round or the sides and the top with the color black. If you notice on the left side, you will notice definitely the bleeding. And for the front, since I already painted and put my transfer, I don't want to lose the transfer, so I just decided to put or use the metallic cream colors by Country Chic paint. By Country Chic paint. Look at it. This one needs to have a base, so my base was black or mixed colors. So if you notice, I did the same thing here. So this metallic has, I'm going to use the same brush, just wipe it. You have to know it dries really fast. Really fast. And look what it's going to do. So the process was, I painted my piece, then I start applying my metallic cream colors. I used the silver and the darker silver, and it dried really fast. Like once you apply it, it will dry right away. I tried to blend these two colors, the dark gray and the silver. I actually liked the way it turned. It was different. I'm sure you're wondering why I'm painting while the knob's there. I found out that I didn't have the recording for the silver part, so I was like, okay, I can add a little bit more and record it so I can have I can post a video, because the most important part was missing. That's why I left them there. I just wanted to add a little bit of silver, the metallic colors. You can just have an idea by the process. I'm definitely gonna do another piece and record everything, and definitely make sure that I'm not gonna lose the video. And to make sure that my color or the piece will not bleed through the black, I added my top coat, which is polyacrylic, and I added some paint with it. If you add the paint to your top coat, you're gonna 2-in-1. It's like you're gonna prevent bleeding and you're gonna have a top coat. It's like protected top. So I did 2 coats around the piece, and yeah, it will look just like a dark black top coat. I usually do that with white, because white kind of the hardest color to work with if you want to get like the perfect white. This is the piece after I was done. I noticed there's something missing. I was like, I need like that, something will make it pop. And of course we're gonna go to it silver leaves, not a gold leaves. I've been using this glue for the last probably 4 years. I'm using the silver. I'm gonna apply my glue, leave it till it will turn clear, then I will know it's ready. I'll apply my silver leaf, clean it, and just protect it or seal it with the same sealer by Mona Lisa. If you protect it with polyacrylic, there is a chance it will change color. It will not be as shiny as it's supposed to be, and it will start cracking, and you'll see cracks, like small ones. I've tried it before and I don't like it, so I always go and seal it with the sealer. It comes with it. And after that, it was done. I enjoy working on this piece, and we always learn something new. This is the results. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Let me know if you like the piece, kind of out of my box, but I hope you guys enjoy the process.